was for hi Ghana SMTV GH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, and no notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded will be notified. We for here sponsors and I will share video now. Aka wakuma your number our screen so bet me send baby kakra na ye dia top bundle and I say na ye dia to niam bakumi enubi I be boy your communications mo. Yen kwa asem no so bet me from the voice.
I was at Cocobod. Me I draw Cocobod for 2 good years. I know what we did for you farmers. Mama, 2016, answer and another than Cocofado Bebe Jabba free John Dramani Maham and some Mama. No Coco slice the biaba. Now before that, no. Now mass spray Papa could for the buyer. No more go mass spraying no. It's your mother fertilizer and a buyer no. They gave it to the farmers without telling them how to apply the fertilizers. And mama, unfortunately, fertilizers no cocoa no most of it. Mama, Western region alone, you can't go say you channel. You about 6,000 hectares of cocoa go here. And I hear
the woman Josie. Me pacho lady be was here wabaha NDC mouthpiece no. Wa block no me pacho on block no mama why. Me pacho Josie. Na yam block no some pacho wa Josie. Yam kwakwa de pacho.
Mama, na ye dua mama, ye mama body see ye wie ye no. The hybrid. Na na dan kwaku fado na mama cocoa nkwan so within 5-3 years. Cocoa hybrid na be ni Ghana. Na na dan kwaku fado introduce you farmers to this hybrid cocoa food. O wie wan se nya mo. E na wo say me to be any pano. Me Mama, ye fa pollinators for mama. What did you people do? You sat down for somebody to promise you, say,
me come perform a Sunday. You bought the WhatsApp page, see us in our man.
Mama, ye way in Nama, and another don't cook fado. Even during COVID, we are seeing now BBB conform no. Another don't cook fado still increase cocoa for you people. Again, I'm what Hannah say. Again, I'm what Hannah say. I let you Mahmoud Baumia say. I promise him say. Cocoa farmers, first day na oba ye share cocoa scholarship no ye the man free SHS for oba be ko school na ye dia mama but since say me papa na nando dan kwaku for da be ye free SHS ama mu nyina mu nti no moba oba bia na me hwe no university ama wo again na maka kire na nando dan kwaku for ado mo di bonu ya ye na yi na nando dan kwaku for ado mo ka kire na nando dan kwaku for ado say he's the most useless president ever in times of crisis amanfo ewu Ghana I think about 66 doctors say ewu ye during COVID. And we are seeing now here mono na nado dan kwaku for stood for you Ghanaians. What did you do? And now you say cocoa about for me cocoa boaba for me they can't pay you the price. Na musu. Media baba from no cry there media mama and hamio. Na say cocoa no go high see anto. Why can't you pay the cocoa farmers? Can't you pay the cocoa farmers? Why can't you pay the cocoa farmers? They should give us the reason. Mama, this for John Dramani Mahama and this for your conformer to Tuboto for such a reckless and useless government. Omunye just a kamanata from Munyasi. Karamani attack from Munyasi. And come on to me, Shagana and him. You play audio where I'm on radio station, moving from street to street, telling Ghanaians to say, Cocoa farmers, some of them will say, Nanamu, you have a catcher and say, Cocoa no crana, you go on. Sabu no Montimin Tom Farm more. Mr. Kamana Tafri, John Dramani Mahama, and this if when Yasi. Randia be Nedi Kane. Randia be their bulldog and Atafri and Yasi. You do people. Do not have shame. Just a new woman could cry when you saw. Some to me check cocoa farmers and him catch them and say, Montimin to cocoa no. I took a one year fine day. Cocoa na a good 1 year fine day. Don't watch the same way.
Best say.
No, I'm going to say, Mr. Randy be pa, Uncle Sam Corey. Na stop me tea and I. Tell the pharmacy say, cocoa no go on. Montimin talk. Na so what the one sa and now beba. What sort of useless government is this? Mama ya trouble you promised us 6,000, 7,000 and now you are telling us stories. What is this? Cocoa no go ho. Ya don wie. Mama maye fertilizer. Man take fertilizer so maye. Mo see MPP. Na me see you are 1 year in office and you are still blaming Akufo-Addo Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Mo kan na debt na mo ja no ho no. Have you forgotten about the debt you left in 2016? I can't imagine in 2016 when they bet you are Rollins Samay, and they bet you as I can mammo. Namesi, Mama, we are giving it to them. And we may say, 7 years to they should wait for us. The kind of demonstration we are going to do. We are not paying nurses, we are not paying teachers. You are owing arrears, even soldier for immigration, since in the history of Ghana. Almost rent allowances of power for more. Yakaka na mujina ho se mojaka wo ho na modi yenso nyina na moja no ho no. What did you leave for us? Anya council so na modi maaye. Anya council so Cocoa road na modi maaye over 6.5 billion no. Why na betu aye? Why na betu aye na do Dankwa Akufo-Addo na Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia? Then give us a excuse, give us the reason why you're not paying the farmers or to work as a moja debt wo ho. Master, we are not going to just say we don't have any reason. Were you not at the when you were promising us 6,000? Didn't you know that the dollar could come down? Didn't you know that the world market could come down? But yet you people were promising us 6,000, 7,000. Such a reckless and useless government. Such a reckless and useless government.
Yan to abani biomo mandisi ombe dada ye said dear yente or dia me so catch your mama. Any ndisi
mama John Dramani Mahama no tie mama ye tio John Dramani Mahama no be ye ne de ni post you on tio bia ni post ye dwanfu no ono ani pemu ono ani bremu no betua ne ka na ye se sa ye ntio bia honhom no ye betutu ama no. You bet to choose in his last 10 hours of office way. You bet to two
Thank you.
You will listen to us, Mr. President. With all due respect, pay the cocoa farmers. Mama, Mr. Papa, Mrs. Sins and Konoma. Tete Kwashi, how didn't cocoa buy and practice Kwashi when you cocoa pension scheme? Mama. Nipa mimi ko register for cocoa pension scheme ma me abesiwa wadi 52 years mama me no ba the last born word nurses training her ma me the cocoa bag ma me 2,000 Ghana cedis me tongu ho na ba wa to o you can charge the school fees mo buy my increase school fees by 15%. Why increase light bill by 15%? How do you expect these farmers to live, these poor farmers to live? See, and me see week and then on Chia, you will see say they will smuggle the cocoa to Cote d'Ivoire. And ya no mako tata mo, mako jina san kwaro kwanso se mo tata mo. E dia no.
Say cry nya bi o. Cocoa sack cry nya bi.
Mama, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo made a manufacturing industry. Na ye manufacture cocoa sack in Ghana. Some of you do not know it was under 1D1F. Na ye cocoa sack na Ghana ya. And now mood interest say ye cocoa sack cry ye man for 40 years. Ye bandi cocoa sack say yon for cocoa sack in free baby biamabio. What we are producing in Ghana is what we are using.
The factory
we use the money. Ye this can share 1D1F under cocoa. Cocoa sack producing ye producing Ghana. Now West Africa have for you know mobile cocoa sack free her. Mama, I want to be somebody and I'm saying syndicated loans. Mama, you see, you call for loans to build the internal generated fund. Sika ye be nyan Ghana ha never toko. Anyway, what's the people for na boka gu ha hanti no. Na yetimi ye kwa dwama so mo mma ye sika bio. Mama, mo ko ji sika metwa cocoa farmers then you are now giving us excuse. Akranfo would default to bottom for. Omo de me da say. Now we will get time for
the Ghanaians want. Make I say your friend is at forcing echo where your Western North.
No need.
Yeah, but listen to the in summer at forcing catch your mo. Say a good father you would dinner, a good father you through more day or your friend is saying Yura, Dr. Mahmood Bawumia, Omon Jenny Paho. yeton cocoa ewo world market 9,500. Emma yen ya yetumi yema cocoa farmers is that ye bet you mo 3,100 Ghana cedis. In fact, ya chemu miensa Ekufuado ni nebusuafo afomu 1. Ena omode 1 ede ama Cocobod ena omode 1 ede ama ekuafo and some of them are omunkwala wa universities omunkwala ye doctors omunkwala kita PhD and some way ni na di ye ema omuko voting massively ede ma your friend is Mahama yewra your friend is sports journalist. I don't know any move for cocoa. Sports journalist. I don't know any move. Journalism crowd member to me ayebi. Mama de ube to me ayebi. Obi our platform we su be abe to me aye. Sa journalism now mo kono mo kosuya 3 months 4 months no ma graduate.
Randy Abe. I know they me tia se ba.
Randy Abe. I don't know him far farming.
Blaze. My dear Blaze. Oh, Blaze. Tie me. Asama wo kan nyina wo wom ehọ ne ye de be fa ho but where's na lady ni use
no where's lady na wasie nei your friend is mouthpiece uba be kan dey say kire na dey
fa no anya me fa no okay I dey time aso kama yenko Blaze ana ka me fa me ladies respect MPP ha
say Grace
no be disrespect MPP me I stand with Lady C. Yes, dear.
Side with Lady C. I have people that side with me.
Thank you.
Mama Day.
Mute yourself for me.
Mama Day.
All right, thank you.
Sa asamna o kachre ye kanise. Sa asamna o kachre MPP fo no. Onfa na no, onfa nkotwitwi gatem. MPP fo de no eno de masan ase. Onfa na no nkotwitwi gatem. Na owie a apart from eno no the oka eti aye no me momu de ensem a oka kire Ghana for no me support the kire say
me pacho minia keto tie me support wa na san condemn because that doesn't mean say yen tua kokwa akuafoka
Mama Day she ye wo Ghana enya Ghana honum nanado any doctor Woma yemfa womu nyuma omugu fie o hwa amanfo ma school o tua nurses fo eka o tua allowances wo ye de wo se wo ye nyina ade ma Ghana fo ana omo tira asema sankrofo we say tubon kwaso fo we say mo ebeka kira wo mo se nanado eye wudini doctor ye wudini niama pa ya nanado abeya ma Ghana nyina ano omo painting black ana Ghana for etua etoye enti no ma hu se Ghana for adwene wo fam we ansama wo keka kire wo nyina sabio Ghana for ni bi mpam cha mo fa ncha me enya Ghana for nyina ye wo ma adwene mu da ho Ghana for ni bi adwene wo fam te se nipa ye obekasa ye ya enti we ye ba beto aba omo besa ba begina ho no ma sa akofa ntro foforo no mo se ade abre wo mo Mama Day ebeya wo gwa se kuani a yentua ne kai wu suma no no wo besa begina ho asa akoye campaign so
let's focus Mama Day
enura
kama asema mo kan nyina wo lady ni some obeke kan ye no emfa kwenu but then
Mama Day shadia television ni sa niema no lady baako agina ho ade a obi condemn no ono no gina ho support say wonye hwe wo ogina ho no support enti sa nkrofo we say mo bi na se ni busuani bi wo ho ne ntria ne ka na say yi a afa me ametia me afa me ho ben
no. Mama Day. Last week in Kwanska, my name is Sister the Koy. Almost
Mama Day, never support you. Why? Don't worry. Never support.
Almost 12,000. I think
best start to cocoa na dollar. So akwakoye big problem. One major problem akwaye dollar no. Dollar no masha da peg. Dollar no mumi antias say. Enya economy Ghana economy na strength na ama dollar no gina baby gina no. Esa ye ti ase. Ye ko fan me no taxpayers money. Ye save Ghana commercial Ghana bank. Ye Supreme Bank. Sika wo reserve ni bi. No ewo mu a month. No akotam be se $1 billion no de cushion. Enti odi cushion na ama dollar na aide aba from. Dollar no so aba from no enya aba from na se enya natural. E affect other sectors. Sectors are affecting the bini cocoa no because cocoa no wakotum mo na mo de politics mo ntuma fan ko 6,000 na mo ye na mo de call na akufo ado wo ho no otumu akokodu 3,100 and am some de 400 no kra no mo de 120 bi na koto so first and a Ghana for na akuafo no chese ma omu akuafo na ni anje ho kra na chire omo sande another jama 300 and also 400 no koko sauce
no almost the 150 na beka ho as a they no
enti omo de anu
almost 3,500
omo de anu ho ka ho no wieye no mo NDC for no mo mabobu o my pen mo nya o my mo nya political party bi mo mai cocoa price is determined by the world market. It is said the gold all time higher. Time I go for the was now gold price now and I'm 2,000 and over. So is a gold price I drew best 5,000. Into wunyam faso. So into faso wunyano. Wunyam faso dia sana cocoa market no above from 7,000 to 4,000. And the dear no be abamo maboka. Na politics intino omo pese ombeka no kraka sese cocoa no entimi other say beto no be say 2,500 political consequences intina oma drag on because me can say ayi randia be ya last 2 years na edu ho no omo koye program bi ona na akomi amane ka okachire Akufo-Addo say Akufo-Addo useless government na ensese odi cocoa no ye so or find ways you no abetimi ato cocoa no ama ye and na ye de wakwa akoye CEO politics amo ye na mo say come back to hate you it's a kakese enombebo and akuafo no ensan so munya sika mfa nyenti bebre na omuntimi nnoko next year cocoa no ebeba form. So what did you mention?
Masia se obabra kwadwe rapo ma me 1 minute na se ne makosum nem se ne kura ne say ye de ye nti aslo ye mpese sika bia be kofom o on dia on fa my adjo ma ama ne na administration NDC mon fa de na Akufo-Addo tua ye no mon fa my
don't forget about it
what say enye papa
on better so or say what nra or call one of the TV stations no be oh baby or the assembly for obi a wokasa na previous government na bokato onye consistent no Ghana cocoa no kra ne boarding na CEO baba can't trust Ghana cocoa no obi anan ko so beto 7,000 6,000 o si cocoa o se ne boarding
Ghana cocoa ne boarding no wo mo ba ye no mo promise ye no wo mo nim se na ne boarding I know every coast to for the omudo na say near the je ho brako do pone apo ma me dia kuafo esa no brako catch
me rapo no apwa say omo petrol na ye nyina ye ni say petrol wa Akufo-Addo wo ho no na petrol well price na $120 and na mo buy musu mutia ye yie ewiase nyina petrol no ate aba basic about $55 where we can go 60. I don't say more the bomb ho safo hini say oh my joma ma ya just why ya dey be on one petrol and you am go fast gold sika na reserve na Akufo-Addo na no wo ha ho kire kura wo so obe keep gold no bi na dachi ya ho kire ye bi o ya ye no na ya akwako duru 30 something no this is so much ya chemi no amana babe 80 on first sika ni bi no fan compensate akuafo no nti omoka ne matimi aka no no
mate